This is a very hungry caterpillar. Hi, and today we are going to open the caterpillar's fruit toy. This is the caterpillar's eat fruit toy. Let's open it. Noor, this caterpillar is so hungry. Noor, can you give her banana? Banana, where is banana? Where is banana? Banana. Eat, caterpillar, eat, caterpillar. Noor, Jean, caterpillar wants grapes. Can you give him grapes? Jean, hungry caterpillar, grapes. Where is grapes? This is grapes. This is watermelon. This is grapes, Noor. Where is grapes? Grapes. Let's make tower. Hat. Caterpillar eats avocado. Caterpillar eats grapes. Avocado and grapes. Caterpillar eats strawberry. Avocado, grapes and strawberry. Caterpillar eats watermelon. Avocado, grapes, strawberry and watermelon. Eat banana. Avocado, grapes, strawberry, watermelon and banana. Lettuce. Caterpillar eats lettuce. Avocado, grapes, strawberry, watermelon, banana and lettuce. Dragon fruit. Caterpillar eats dragon fruit. Strawberry, watermelon, banana, lettuce, dragon fruit. Caterpillar eats kiwi. Avocado, grapes, strawberry, watermelon, banana, lettuce, dragon fruit, and kiwi. Caterpillar eats grapefruit. Avocado, grapes, strawberry, watermelon, banana, lettuce, dragon fruit, kiwi, and grapefruit. This is a very hungry caterpillar.